Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mita Barat. I am from English Education Department. In this video, we will find out how to say this, and everything in nature in English. Air, air. Bank, bank. Beach, beach. Bay, bay. Bush, bush. Cloudy, cloudy. Cloud, cloud. Cave, cave. Coast, coast. Cold, cold. Cliff, cliff. Coral, coral. Climate, climate. Dusk, dusk. Desert, desert. Dew, dew. Continent, continent. Dam, dam. Canyon, canyon. Dust, dust. Earthquake, earthquake. Erosion, erosion. Earth, earth. Eruption, eruption. Field, field. Flood, flood. Fog, fog. Flower, flower. Forest, forest. Ground, ground. Gulf, gulf. Grass, grass. Hurricane, hurricane. Hill, hill. Hut, jungle, jungle. Leaf, leaf. Lake, lake. Land, land. Lunar eclipse, lunar eclipse. Mountain, mountain. Morning, morning. Marsh, marsh. Moon, moon. Meteor, meteor. Meadow, meadow. Night. Natural disaster, natural disaster. Lighting, lighting. Ocean, ocean. Planet, planet. Pond, pond. Park, park. Animal, animal. Plant, plant. Rain, rain. Rainbow, rainbow. Sky, sky. Sea, sea. River, river. Snow, snow. Solar system, solar system. Sun, sun. Solar eclipse, solar eclipse. Soil, soil. Sanctuary, sanctuary. Slope, slope, slope. Scenery, season, season. Smoke, smoke. Tree, tree. Sun, sun. Star, star. Storm, storm. Stone, stone. Twister, twister. Thunder, thunder. Valley, valley. Volcano, volcano. Wind, wind. Wave, wave. Water, water. Waterfall, waterfall. Windy, windy. Weather, weather.